Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Oppo Find X3 Neo. So first step, open the Play Store and open the search bar, then look for the Easy Fax app, install it and open. Here you have your free credits banner. You have to restart the application to show it again, so remember of that. Now add a permission to the camera and to the files. Click on the plus to choose source of your document, like something from the gallery, or just take a picture or something. Now you can add this shape to your document. If you're ready, click accept icon, choose the filter for photo to make it more visible. If you are ready, click on the accept icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send a message, click on this button. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like, comment, and goodbye.